Little car, big bass system in here, man.
Yeah, I had my first competition in...
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. How you doing? Yes, ma'am.
What's going on?
Hey, how you doing?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Yeah, name's Noah Gravel from Green Bay, Wisconsin. Got two DC level 4 XLs on 2 5K SFB Sundowns at 1 ohm. Box is tuned roughly like 25 to 45.
Okay. Wow. You built this into the vehicle really well.
I cannot take credit for it. I got this from another base head of mine back in Green Bay. He had the car for like 10 years. I just kept it alive.
All right, there we go. How's your electrical battery all?
I got 3 Group 27 interstates in the back, 1 Group 27 up front, with 370 brand max all.
All right.
I had my first competition in Oshkosh, Wisconsin about a month ago. Took first place in Super Street 1
there we go.
With 153.
153 dBs, all right.
Yeah, sealed up, all closed up and everything.
Was that like right here?
Yeah, right on that. Right on
so you're probably 55s right here, maybe.
Oh, opened, yeah. Opened, I'm 155s all day.
Nice. Hey, appreciate it, man.
Yeah, absolutely. You're Jacob, right?
Yes, sir, JacobViral.
I watch your videos.
JacobViral. Yes, sir, appreciate it, man.
You can flip the seat up if you want, that little black lever on the back.
Okay. There we go. Nice. Be sure to give him a like. Hey, what was your name, man?
Noah.
Noah. All right, Noel, man. Love to hear it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sounds like testicles, but it's
that, man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Nice job.
Appreciate it.
Little car, big bass system in here, man.
Yeah.
Be sure to give him a like. Hey, what was your name, man?
Noah.
Noah. All right, Noel, man.